Hey everybody, I know many of you guys have maybe been wondering where have videos been lately on Cube Computer Channel, and I'd say cubecompmtdx as well. The thing is, I have been busy and tired lately. Just lots of stuff getting in the way. Lots of stuff going on at work. We're moving to a new building at the college that I work at, so it's been a lot of stuff going on as far as moving. And of course, I know some of you guys may know how exhausting moving stuff can get. Packing box after box after box of stuff and moving it, all that good stuff. But yeah, I've been busy getting stuff ready for a big move at work, and just had lots of stuff going on here around home and all that good stuff. So yeah, I hadn't really had much time to really sit down and do videos. Of course, it involves the process of shooting the videos, and then also the process of running through the editing and the uploading and all that good stuff. So I just hadn't really had much really get up and go to do it here lately. I will be making some videos soon. I'm in the process of getting some stuff done. And the good news, as far as my availability, is for the next about 10 weeks or so, I'll be working a 4-day schedule at work, so I have an additional day off, which will help out tremendously. It's always nice to have a weekday off during the week. So, yeah, I know I haven't been posting many videos in a while, but I'm here, I'm functioning, I'm still around. The videos on the channel aren't going anywhere, so never worry about that. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this quick little update, thanks for watching. Hey everybody, I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video from Cube Computer Channel. Remember to like the video, subscribe to Cube Computer Channel for more updates, and remember to tick the bell so you actually get notified of these updates. Did you know that I am also on a second channel that's cubecompmtdx? Over there you'll find videos of bicycling, weather, elevators, and all sorts of other neat and interesting stuff. Feel free to subscribe to that channel as well. And again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.